In 2026, many people are making lots of money from their YouTube channel, and you can also earn money. So if you want to create a YouTube channel but you don't know how to start, before creating your channel, there are a few important things that you have to put into account before you create a channel. First of all, you have to get a Google account, a channel name, an idea of the content you want to create, and a profile picture that represents your brand. Now, getting these basics will enable you to make your setting up your channel much easier and very professional. So in this video, I will show you everything you need and walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a YouTube channel from the scratch using your phone. And then you can start making money and start earning money. So stay with me as I take you to the step. If you don't have a Gmail account, go to your browser and type in gmail.com. But if you have, you can just sign in. And if you don't have, go to create account. Choose for my personal use. Click next. And then put in your name first. However, your surname is optional. Then you just fill in your basic information, the date, the month, and the year. And then you choose your gender. So in this interface, it will give you an optionalized Gmail address. Just choose the one that you like, or you create your own. And then you put in your password, confirm. You put in your phone number for verification to verify, and that will be all for Gmail. So the next thing you will do is to go to your browser, type www.youtube.com and change it to desktop site. Alright. So on your home browser interface, click on sign in. Then you sign in your email and put your password, and then you create channel. Put in your channel name, the name that you like to use, and after that you click on profile to upload the profile picture. Click create channel, and then your channel is created. So you need to also verify your channel. So the next thing you need to do is to go to youtube.com/verify so that you can verify your channel. You choose the country that you are from, and from there you put in your phone number for verification, and then you click next. You'll be getting a message or a code, and then you verify your phone number. Alright, let's customize your YouTube account. Go to studio.youtube.com so that you can customize your YouTube account. It will take you to this interface, you see. So you click on customization and this interface will come up. Then you have your channel interface, which you're having your banner. You need to change your banner, which is going to show on your channel. So you click on upload and change your banner. I'm putting up this banner lifestyle, and then you have seen the banner. So the next one is to choose your profile picture. Your profile picture is ready. You go to your name, the channel name. You can still customize it. I'm using Travel Bob here. Also choose your channel handle with a unique name that people uses in searching or to find your channel. Make it simple. Sometimes when you're inputting a channel handle, it might have been selected, so you need to try another one. Right, travel to here, and it's been selected. You are seeing that it's been marked. So the next is to go to your description. Describe your channel, what your channel is all about. If you don't have idea on how to do this, you can go to ChatGPT. It can help you to also give you a perfect description of your channel. So if you have a social handle link, you can just add a link there. Then you add your email address. Alright. And then you also have what they call the video mark, which can be displayed either at the end of a video or at the beginning of a video, alright, and at intervals. So you can just do that at your own end too. So now the next step is to go to your setting. Let us set your channel. Click on setting. This interface will come up. You're going to see boldly. On general, you're going to see default unit, that is the currency you'll be paid, US dollars. You leave it on the US dollars depending on the region you are coming from. Then you click on channel. Then you're having your basic information,
select your country of residence, add keywords. So YouTube keywords are search terms people type into YouTube. It types of videos to show up in search result. Example, if your videos are about cooking pasta, your keywords could be how to cook pasta, easy pasta recipe, or you can actually go to ChatGPT to help you to give you good keyword for your channel. So after you might have finished all the settings, you just click on save. Okay, when you click on save, and then after clicking on save, you click on publish. And then when you click on publish, just know that your channel is ready. You can see that changes published, then you go to channel. Now your channel is ready, you can go ahead to start creating any kind of videos you want to create for your channel. Make sure it's channel specific. Then look at your description. You can see add a description here. You can go to ChatGPT and just give ChatGPT what your niche is all about, and then they go ahead and just give you what you need. Totally, for instance, you see, just copy it and then you paste on your description. You also have to try to edit it to your taste, and after that the channel is ready. I wish you the best. If you know this video helped you, you can go ahead to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.